Well, it's always difficult to define what is a big bang budget because different people would have different ideas. To me, I think what I would look for from this budget, unlike the previous one which had too many small things but nothing really of substance or really major, I hope that this budget contains some major steps rather than a series of small 10, 15, 20 crore investments. And the biggest in that to me would be really towards ease of doing business. Now that could be repealing a lot of acts, taking away a lot of exemptions, but lowering the tax rate and so on. So I think I would be very delighted to see not that there are more exemptions, there may be less exemptions, but simplification of the whole tax regime, for instance. So this budget I think gives a great opportunity to the finance minister and the prime minister, and I am quite certain that there will be things which leave aside whether big bang or not big bang, but those will be something which will leave an imprint. I personally do not expect much to happen in this budget on the telecom sector per se, except that we would all want to closely watch what the finance minister wants to put up as the estimate of next year's collection from spectrum. I think that would be an indication of how much spectrum they intend to bring into the auctions.
Right.
So other than that, I really don't expect too much from this budget vis-a-vis telecom. Well, broadband absolutely, because if you see, Digital India is a huge dream of this government and the prime minister in particular, and naturally I think the taxation on this sector, and I am not talking of income tax, I am talking of the various taxes by way of service tax and so on, and the license fee, that just too high. So I am not too sure whether it's to be dealt with in the budget, but certainly I would expect that in the coming year this government will take care of lowering that tax burden, because that obviously gets passed on to the customer in some way. So if we want really broadband to spread across the country, it would be worthwhile that on the telecom sector per se, the burden of taxes or levies needs to come down. Well, I don't think dealing with individual ministries would be possible in a budget for any finance minister vis-a-vis ease of doing business. But I think certainly what I would expect from the budget or the finance minister's speech is a very clear direction as to how they would deal with the bureaucracy, how they would deal with generally with the ministries as a direction of what they can do to ease the business opportunities for people in respective ministries, telecom of course included. I do hope, and again I would not lay too much emphasis on the budget, but I do hope, considering that this government is very keen about Digital India, there would be certainly a renewed effort in releasing more spectrum, which is badly needed by this industry. So to that extent, I do hope that the coming year, and maybe a mention is made in the budget, because that directly relates to the revenue which the government can raise. So hopefully it will find some mention there. But other than that, I don't expect too much from this budget vis-a-vis telecom industry.